We got to go over APLDs here today. Today is April 14, 2025. Currently 7:53 p.m. Pacific time zone, and the current price here is $4.65 here in the overnight hours, down about 15% in the after hours, and then here, not too bad here, down about 13.41% here in the overnight. And so with the current price at $4.65, I would keep an eye out for $4.30 being a potential test level. I'm going to keep an eye out here. I'll put a level here at $4.30 as well, just in case we do get a continuation of a sell-off here for APLD. Personally, I think this could be a potential dip opportunity. The only thing I would really caution out is if we do break below $4.30, there is that potential possibility that we might get a dip down to about the levels of about $3.80 or $3.90. That's going to be the next potential dip opportunity, or I should say next downside move if we break below $4.30. And again, I believe I personally am leaning on towards $4.30 holding as a support level, but again, I can't guarantee that with any possibility that there is that chance of $3.80 being tested as well for APLD. In the meantime, personally, if it was me, if I'm looking to start a position or add more into APLD, I think it's pretty attractive while it is below $4.78. And again, down into $4.30, I wouldn't mind adding a position and holding potentially long-term if I am looking to hold it long-term for a reversal back up to these levels between 626 and 773. Or if I'm bearish on APLD, then caution on a potential pullback down to 380 down into 430. In terms of upside movement back up to the top side, let's go ahead and just view this on the hourly chart. From our current price here, let's see, 465. If we can break back above 478, keep an eye out for a potential recovery all the way back up towards right around $5.65 there, or specifically $5.60. That is going to be a 20% move back up to the top side. We also got 478 here as a short-term resistance level. That's what I would want to keep an eye out for, and breaking above 478, you could potentially see a stair step all the way back up to 564 there for APLD. In terms of a downside move, here's what I mentioned earlier, and what I would caution on is that pullback down to $4.30. If you are long-term on APLD or you need a community and you don't have one yet, I highly recommend joining our Patreon there. We do have Patreon and Discord. Both links are going to be on the left side here for the QR code, and then description of the video is going to have both links for Patreon and Discord as well. Okay. It's going to be free to join for Discord, over 32,000 people, and then Patreon there is going to have live entries and exits. So if that's something you're interested in, highly recommend joining the Patreon there. We do have a permanent discount promotion going on right now as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So see if there's any available spots for Patreon, and if not, feel free to join the Discord.